Welcome to BAR Matters Guide. Ang videong ito ay tungkol sa Statement of Management Responsibility. Ayon sa Revenue Regulations No. 3-2010 na nilabas ng BIR, these regulations are hereby issued to provide the rationale and guidelines for the submission of the Statement of Management Responsibility that shall accompany the financial statements that shall be submitted with the annual income tax return. Bali, base sa regulations na ito, kapag nag-file kayo ng annual income tax return, lalo na yung may attached na financial statements, mandatory po kayo mag-attach ng Statement of Management Responsibility. Ang format ng Statement of Management Responsibility ay makikita mismo dito sa regulations, kaya pwede nyo ito convert to Word file para madali nyong ma-edit every time na mag-file kayo ng annual income tax return. Ang content ng Statement of Management Responsibility ay para siyang reminder sa atin na we are the primarily responsible sa ipa-file natin na annual income tax return. Bali kung may maliman sa na-file natin, tayo ang unang hahabulin ni BIR, hindi si bookkeeper or si accountant. So base sa regulations na ito, ang taxpayer na earning from compensation income only ay hindi required mag-attach ng Statement of Management Responsibility sa pag-file niya ng annual income tax return kasi hindi naman siya required mag-attach ng financial statements. Hindi rin ito required attach sa pag-file ng mga quarterly income tax return kasi para lang ito sa pag-file ng annual income tax return ng individual or non-individual taxpayers. Ano naman ang mangyayari kung hindi ka nakapag-attach ng Statement of Management Responsibility? Ayon dito sa regulations, any person who violates any provision of this regulation shall, upon conviction for each act or omission, be punished by a fine or suffer imprisonment, or both, as prescribed in the National Internal Revenue Code. So, ayan. May penalty pag hindi ka nag-attach nito sa ipa-file nyo na annual income tax return. Para sa akin, mag-attach ka man yan or hindi, ikaw pa rin ang primary responsible ng mga ipa-file nyo na mga returns. Kaya sana pag-i-amend ni BIR ang form ng Annual Income Tax Return in relation to Ease of Paying Taxes Act, sana incorporate na lang doon ang Statement of Management Responsibility para hindi na kailangan laging mag-attach nito. So, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.